Okay, so for part 2, we are on the second page. Find the sum. All right, first and foremost, the word sum. What did we talk about yesterday? What does it mean? Not multiply. Nope. Add. Sum, that means add. And if we have to add, that's really glitchy all of a sudden. Sorry, YouTube people. All right. I'll try to maybe if I move this, hold on. Maybe that'll be better. Okay, if we add, that means we have to do it the long way. Okay? You cannot just do it in your calculator. You must write it out the long way and add them old school. Okay? So we start with our first one, 3.329 times 10 to the 7th. So move that out 7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3.7 times 10 to the 6th. Move that out how many spaces? Let's pretend you just said 6. Oh, yay. Yes, 6. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now do I add them like this? No. What do? Line them up, okay? By the decimal. So we're going to do it old school. 3329. Make sure you have the right number of zeros. I have 4 zeros here. Line the one up backwards, right? This one has 5 zeros. And then we've got a 7 and then a 3. And we're adding. Sum means add. So adding them up, all these columns are 0. And then we get a 9. Then what do we get? A 9 and then a 6 and then a 3. That's the answer in standard form. On this test, you have to put it back in scientific though. Okay? So putting it back in scientific, where does the decimal need to go? Between the 3 and the 6. That's right. It's going to go right here. Okay, so our answer is 3.699. I get to stop writing. Then what? Times 10, yes. Okay, what's the exponent on this guy? Count them up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is correct. This is the answer. Good? All right. I know I'm moving kind of fast here. I want to make sure we have enough time. All right. All right. What do you get when you subtract? That's pretty self-explanatory. Subtract, right? Okay, so we're going to have to subtract. Do you do that the long way or in your calculator? No, long way again. Okay, long way again. So let's go. 5.73 times 10 to the 2. Boop. All right, that's easy. Let's move it out 2 spots. 1, 2. Do you even need to add zeros? No. All right, 3.296 times 10 to the 3. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, these don't even have any zeros. You still have to line them up. Okay, now here's the thing. Which one goes on top this time? Which one, Kingston? The bigger one. For subtraction, you need to start with the bigger number. Otherwise, we're going to get a negative, right? So I know the order was not that, okay? So let's write ourselves a note for subtraction. Bigger number on top. Okay, that needs to happen. I'll bring it down later, okay? I'm doing a video. All right, so 3296 decimal point, and then the smaller one on the bottom, minus. Here we go. What's 6 minus 3? 9 minus 7? 2 minus 5? What do we got to do? Borrow. Borrow from the 3, make it a 2. Put the 1 in front. So now 12 minus 5, 7. 2 minus nothing is 2. That is not that big of a number. It's only 2,723, but you have to put it back in scientific. Where does the decimal go? Yeah, between that 2 and 7. So 2.723 times 10. How many spaces was that? To the third power. Yay. Now we're to the calculator ones. Those should go faster. Everyone has a calculator. Let's make sure we do these right. There's nothing in the middle. What does that mean we do? Times. Yes, we're going to multiply. If nothing is in the middle, we multiply. What do we multiply? Multiply 4 and 6. 4 times 6, 24. Is that going to be a good number for my answer? No, too high, right? But we got to keep going. Times 10. If I multiply, what else do I do? With exponents. Yeah, that's right. Add. 4 plus 8 gives me 12. Okay. On that 24, where's the decimal right now? Yeah, it's back here. Where do I have to move it? To the left or the right? To the left. Let's go. So if I move it left now, all right, it'll be 2.4. Yep. Okay, what's our strategy here? Going left, do I add 1 to the decimal or to the exponent or subtract 1? Add 1. Okay, so let's write that note. Going this way, we add 1. Going this way, we subtract 1. All right, so times 10, if I add 1 then to that exponent, what do I get? 13. This is the answer. Okay, because of time, I'm going to have you go back and do 10, all right? It's also a multiply, just like the one we did in 9. Let's go to 11, all right? Nope, not 11. 11 is like 12, but 11 and 12 are fractions. What does that mean we do? We're going to divide and subtract. That's right. But I really want to do 12 with you instead of 11. So 10 is a multiply and add. 11 is a divide and subtract. Let's do 12 with this. That's a divide and subtract. Okay. What do I divide? Isabel, go. I'm on 12. Sorry. Go ahead, Holly. Oh, yep, that's right. Holly, did you get that answer, though? The divide, yeah. Okay. Type it in. 3 point what? Just 3? Okay. Is it okay to write just 3? Yeah. All right. Times 10. What is my exponent going to be then? 5. That one's a nice easy one. So both of them that I have on here are easy because same thing for 11. It should come out nice. Okay. So good. Do I have enough time here on this one? All right. I'm going to stop this one. We're going to have a third video, unfortunately, because of time.